Hi guys, I am out here harvesting this baby oak leaf lettuce, and it is beautiful. It looks like oak leaf. Just this little patch has given me a whole large salad spinner full of this lettuce. It tastes very good. It cuts very easily. And where you want to cut it is just about, I would say that's about maybe an inch, inch and a half above the soil line. You don't want to get what they call the crown of it, so don't go below where it starts to separate and segregate off, and it will keep coming back for you. If you look over here, this, let me see if I can get a good shot of this past the paperwork. It's right up here against this concrete. So you can see that is really just one little plant there. And we just need to cut that about right there, and it will keep coming back for us. This around my hand, that's one seed, that's one leaf. So it does give you a nice little compact, what they're calling it. Let's read this. It says, this is our favorite, both flavor and ease of harvest. Because of the compact bunches of loose and frilly leaves are borne on a single stalk. And that is very, very true. Make sure I got this in the focus right. Just the right amount to make a salad for two, more compact and vigorous, designed for smaller gardens and tight spaces. And obviously that is all true. I have this right up in the salad bowl. You can see it's a very tight area. I myself keep it very compact. It tastes wonderful. It was only $2.25 for 500 of these seeds. And it has been a pleasure, and I look forward to having more of this. Tastes great. I don't get any bitter notes with it. Even when you taste right down to the stem itself, it's really not that bitter. Of course, when you put your dressing on it, you're not going to be able to tell everything, or anything, excuse me. But this is quite nice. Very happy with this. Fully recommend the lettuce baby oak leaf. So, all the hype was worth it. Love you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.